Hey guys, the other day I covered the Siri 2.0 being on any iPhone you wanted with the update. The version we were running is iOS 18 beta 2 22A 5297F. That Siri 2.0 video I posted that lets you get the new Siri UI on any iPhone running iOS 18 has been patched. It has been removed. They fixed a couple of icons with the colors. So you hit dark or light. There is a delay when it comes to updating the icons. Like you can see, it's only updating when I click, and then they're in light mode. But a lot of the apps are still in dark mode. You can see my settings and stuff are still there. So it takes a good minute to get that to all change. Before we continue the video, I'd just like to shout out the sponsor, Vomo. Revolutionize your note-taking with Vomo, the AI-powered voice memo app that triples your efficiency. Your voice is your new superpower. Capture, transcribe, and organize your ideas and conversations effortlessly, all in one step. More than just a note taker, Vomo is your personal AI assistant. Never miss a flash of inspiration again. Whether you're brainstorming, attending meetings, or simply need to remember something important, Vomo is your ultimate productivity companion. Effortless recording. With just a tap, Vomo records high-quality audio, ensuring that every detail is captured with clarity. Say goodbye to time limits and focus on what matters most, your thoughts and ideas. Vomo's advanced AI technology accurately transcribes your voice memos into formatted text, complete with punctuation and speaker recognition. Vomo goes beyond simple transcription. Their built-in AI can summarize your notes, highlight action items, and even help you generate blogs and emails from your recordings. Vomo works flawlessly with your existing workflow. Import audio files directly from your device, or share voice memos from other apps with ease. Managing and organizing your recordings has never been simpler. Download and use my link for Vomo in the description below. So looking at the home screen, exactly like I just said, the resolved issues were there might be a delay when switching to dark or tinted icons on the home screen. That has apparently been fixed if there was an issue with that. And some other known issues. Widgets on the home screen might match icon appearance rather than system appearance. As far as the update goes, RCS messaging was added. I don't have the option for me because it is only available in certain countries or certain carriers. Another thing is that the control center got a little change. It is now a little bit more responsive. Not by a whole lot, but I mean, it feels way smoother to work on. That little stutter is mostly gone on my 13 Pro Max. This stutter here, it kind of stutters just a little bit when switching. But besides that, it is actually pretty smooth. With camera, apparently there was an issue where camera functions would take up to 2 minutes to work after booting your phone on for iPhone and iPad. That has been fixed if you had that issue. They also fixed an issue where phones with always on display enabled might panic/reboot on exit. FaceTime in low data mode now uses more data when network conditions are good for improved video quality. Another resolved issue with Files, the Files app, whereas users might be unable to navigate with Move Panel in the Files app on iPhone. So that has been fixed if you use your Files app a lot. iPhone mirroring, I believe, has been released. I've seen people talking about it already. Known issues are that dictation is available during iPhone mirroring. Keyboard input might not work in Spotlight or App Library when using iPhone mirroring. So if you're using a Mac and an iPhone, it might not be working for you as expected. Universal clipboard might not work. Users might be able to launch lock screen apps while using iPhone mirroring. There was an update to Maps as well that introduced Place ID, a unique and persistent identifier, kind of like a permanent ID for every location. So in case a name of a place changed, you could still use the Place ID and still find it. Sent and received messages via satellite might not be relayed to your other devices. It's currently available only in the US. SMS messaging via satellite is available on select carriers in iOS 18 Beta 1. New Siri feature with iOS 18, which I also noticed this in settings. In iOS 18, when an iPhone is connected via Bluetooth to a vehicle without CarPlay, Siri's audio quality can be significantly improved through the new option Respond over Media Source. If you're in your car and you don't have CarPlay, you just want to go to Siri, you want to go to Siri Responses, and you want to hit Respond over Media Source. This will supposedly improve the sound quality of your Siri over your car. If you have it over Bluetooth, it should sound better because when you do over radio, it kind of turns it into like a phone call when it's not. So this should help. There's nothing in documentation or the iOS 18 release notes mentioning anything about Apple Intelligence. As far as I can see, it only looks like there was just some bug fixes and RCS added. Might be doing another video for the next iOS update. Hopefully they bring out some cool features by then, or some big changes, and I'll also make a video when the public beta releases. I don't know if that's going to be tomorrow or if it's going to be in a week or two from now, but when that releases, I'll try to make a video on that as well. If you enjoyed the video, drop a sub. I'll be doing more of these, hopefully, and see you around.